Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaron filling with egg yolk. We'll focus on creating a luxurious, custard-based filling that perfectly complements the delicate texture of your macaron shells. This method ensures a consistently smooth and flavorful result every time. You'll learn about selecting the right ingredients, mastering the cooking process, and achieving that ideal creamy consistency. Get ready to elevate your macaron game with this essential technique. For our rich egg yolk filling, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 4 large egg yolks, which provide incredible richness and a beautiful golden hue. You'll also need 100 grams of granulated sugar for the perfect level of sweetness. 120 milliliters of whole milk or heavy cream forms our liquid base, and 20 grams of cornstarch or flour will give us that desired thickness. Don't forget a dash of vanilla for an aromatic finish. Now let's cook our custard base. First, whisk the 4 egg yolks with 100 grams of sugar until they are light and creamy. Next, gradually whisk in the 20 grams of cornstarch until fully combined. Gently heat the 120 milliliters of milk or cream until it's just simmering. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper it. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Once your custard is cooked, immediately strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl to ensure a perfectly silky smooth texture. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. Chill the filling completely in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until firm. For an even richer, more stable filling, you can whip in 100 grams of softened unsalted butter. Finally, pipe the cooled filling onto one macaron shell and gently top with another.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.